We'll guide you through how to use Namecheap for WordPress. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of domains you've purchased. Click on the domain you want to use with WordPress. You need to make sure your domain is linked to the right hosting. So, navigate to the Domain List tab on the left panel and click Manage next to your domain. Scroll down to the Name Servers section. If your hosting is with Namecheap, select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS from the dropdown. If you're using another hosting provider, you'll need to enter the custom name servers provided by them. After setting the name servers, give it a few minutes to propagate. Next, go to the Hosting tab at the top of the page and select WordPress Hosting. If you haven't purchased WordPress hosting yet, follow the prompts to choose a plan and complete your purchase. Once you have your hosting ready, click Manage on your WordPress hosting package. You'll see an option to Install WordPress. Click on it and choose the domain you just set up. Fill in the necessary details like your site name, WordPress admin username, and password. Once you've filled everything out, click Install. This will set up WordPress on your domain. After a few moments, you'll receive a confirmation. You can then log into your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Now you can start customizing your WordPress site with themes and plugins. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.